Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Viewers all over the world, June 12th is around the corner. As you know, I'm a man of people. So, the wound of one is the wound of all. As things stand, you may have realized it will not be easy for me to celebrate my birthday under the present circumstances. Some of the people who want to come are troubled by the situation all over the world. We see their fear and their worry. I feel their pain. I feel their worry. Therefore, let us dedicate this day to prayer and fasting. Don't forget the needy. By the grace of God, more birthdays are ahead. God bless you. Emmanuel. Jesus is Lord. Happy birthday.